So Renee, what are we up to today?
Buying stuff. Hopefully. Lots of stuff.
I don't know.
Antiques, chicken stuff.
Anyway, we're at where are we? Mansfield?
Mansfield.
We're at Mansfield, Indiana. We're at the Covered Bridge Festival 2024. So we thought we'd come check this out, do some video clips maybe today of this place, and throw them up on the channel. So you guys keep watching, and we'll have some video. Lots and lots of food. Oh.
Yeah, we like food.
Oh yeah, look at that. Delish. Just in case you have a hankering for about anything, well, they've got it. Ribbon fries, crazy fries, lemon shake-ups, nachos. There's pulled pork here. They've got everything. Everything. More food. Yeah, that's just wrong. 2 for $25. You can get sea salt, milk chocolate, dark white, pumpkin. All kinds of stuff. Random stuff everywhere. Oh, look. It's a liquidation closeout as seen on TV. Let's go check it out. Ooh, sunglasses. Boat racing. Wanna race boats? We'll get 2 boats, we'll race them. We'll probably sink them. I don't know. Veggie bro. We've got something like that though.
Smart spin.
Yeah, we do. More as seen on TV. Metal stuff. More metal stuff. Hey, look, it's a frog. It's a frog. Metal art, tons of metal art, more metal art. And it's a rat.
Cat and a rat.
A rat and a cat? A cat and a rat.
It's kind of cute, actually.
Cross. You're not allowed to run. You have to cross it a walk. No hopping, no skipping. You can get in trouble for that. Walking only. All right, we'll walk, I guess. But here we go. Maybe. They're driving. That's not good. Now, food. More food, people. If you're hungry, there's plenty of food. There's the barbecue. More food. More food. There's a candy warehouse over there. Right over there's a candy warehouse. We usually go to the right though. So let's go to the right. More food. Hamburgers, brats. All right. Taking a walk. More and more stuff. It just goes on and on. Holy moly. Renee, I found you a rooster. It's much quieter.
He's adorable.
Yeah.
Maybe the rooster would probably sit on top of it.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah.
Fight with
Look
it.
at all these carvings. These are cool. There's a moose. Everybody's gotta love the moose.
They're just so cute.
Gotta love the moose. Trailer trash. That's right. Trailer trash. Tons of metal signs, light up signs. Awesome. Ooh, 1086. More signs. More.
Dinosaur head if you need a dinosaur head.
Do you need a dinosaur
They
head?
got T-Rex, they got Triceratops, and a dragon.
Yes, they do.
I don't need it, but somebody might need a white buffalo for their wall.
I mean, you can't go wrong with a white buffalo. What about the moose?
He's kind of cute. That'd be a nice hat holder too.
It would be.
Just hang
You can just
it
hang them right here. Yeah, I like it. I like the idea. You want any kind of metal sign? Frogs, pigs,
I want the cactus.
anything? Cactus? Where's the cactus? Oh, there is the cactus right there. By the palm tree. You know, cacti and palm tree go together. Yeah. You name it, they've got it. That's right. Ooh, is this one of those closeout places over here that we can get stuff from? Let's go check it out. Kettle corn? Everybody needs kettle corn. No. Tools, shirts with whatever statement you could ever possibly want. I mean, holy cow, Batman, there's a lot. You need an axe, shovel, rake. They probably got it here. You got a little bit of it all. Hey, check that out. That's cool. All right. Keep it on moving. What in the world is that? Drop the cargo, hit the target. This would be something Mitchell would like. Mitchell, what do you think? I'm not sure what this even is. Toys today. So the Candyland warehouse has everything here. You've got licorice, you've got nuts, old-fashioned hard drops. They have the barrel root beer over there. There is taffy. There are Starburst, caramels. You name it. It's got a little bit of everything. Moon pies, Twizzlers, a little bit of everything. So if you're stopping in, you need to stop by this Candyland warehouse. Good place. Figure we're gonna rack up a decent bill here. We got a few things in our basket. They hand you a basket, which is bad because it's a big basket. and they want you to just, you know, fill them up, and then, yeah. But, we figured we'd get a few while we're here, so nothing chocolatey. We'll probably melt that on the way. So, again, anything you guys can think of. They got gummies, they got it all, nuts and seeds and chocolate. It just keeps going on and on. So, anyway, gummies could melt together, and then it would become like a bare blob of something. I could get really wrong with that. Anyway, we're going to keep going on. We'll stay politically correct here.
So nice to have, like, for the baby.
All kinds of chicken stuff. Small chicken coop. Chickens, more chickens, more stuff. Boo. Just more and more stuff, dear. More and more stuff. More and more stuff. Free samples, honey. And you got licorice up here. You got wood stuff. Plenty of blankets in case you're cold. It's not that cold today. Not today. All right, guys. Well, we've been to Mansfield. We went shopping. Well, it is hot today. So what did you end up with?
Caramel corn.
Caramel.
Can't go wrong with caramel corn.
I love caramel corn. Fresh made.
We got some Carnheart.
Carnheart. We call them Carnheart. It says Carhartt, but we believe it's Carnheart.
So fuzzy inside.
They
See
are,
the fuzz?
They are fuzzy.
Yes, those are gonna make good Christmas gifts.
Great
Probably
Christmas
for the boys.
gifts. Yes.
And then, of course, you know, $20 worth of random candy that Chris picked up.
I did not pick it up. They had the basket in there. They give you a giant basket.
He filled the basket.
I did not fill the basket. I just put some in it. You put some in there too. There's root beer barrels here, guys. Root beer barrels. You can't go wrong.
And you got the old school candy cigarettes.
It's, you know, hot day.
Yeah.
We figured we'd get some of this and, you know,
no
move on.
chocolate though, because they would have totally melted.
No. So there you go. See you guys.
Later.